Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Before I start video, I just wanted to disclose that I went through a treatment and my skin is a bit peeling. That's why I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm keeping myself as natural as possible. Just as a side note, please don't judge me. I'm not peeling like a snake. It's just my treatment. Sometimes you just need to go through a lot of pain just to look beautiful. Alright, so today's video is going to be about Dermalogica company, and I wanted to review their pre-cleanse cleansing oil and what are the different ingredients present in it. Is it worth purchasing? Is it really good? So let's get into the video and start with it. So the first thing I want to talk about is the volume of the product. So it's 295 ml of product for $77 US. That's quite pricey, don't you think that? I also wanted to see what is so special about it, because this cleansing oil is used to remove the makeup and is really good for the PM routine. If you are coming from a very long day build up and your skin has a buildup of makeup and you want to remove it, so this cleansing oil does that job. So it says that it cleanses the pores from deep within. It is really good for all skin type. It doesn't show any sort of problems with the oily skin. Well, I wanted to really disclose all the ingredients here. The company, which it claims so much, and the price of the product is so expensive, the ingredient should also be something that can reach up to the price of the product. So the ingredients here is just not reaching up to the standards. First ingredient is capric triglyceride. It is derived from coconut oil and it helps with it's like an emollient kind of a feel, which removes the dirt. Of course, also protects the water, and it retains the water into your skin. The only two ingredients I liked here is tocopherol and tocopherol acetate. It is a vitamin E derivative. So vitamin E is a very essential ingredient, because when you live in a pollutant place, you want something that can get rid of the free radicals sitting on your skin, pollutants, which is actually leading to aging. So vitamin E plays a very important role in antioxidant properties. It removes all the free radicals. It helps your skin to look much more younger, because it cleanses your skin from all the pollutants, all the debris, and all sort of dust that is leading to aging. Then there is grapefruit peel oil, as well as mandarin orange peel oil. There is rosemary oil. There are so many oils here of different fruits. So I don't understand, like rosemary oil is like most of the herb. It's kind of showing benefits in the hair growth, but I have no idea why they are putting so many different oil in one solution. It also has lavender oil, which is definitely having a fragrance. Lavender is a naturally extracted flower which does have a fragrance, and also there was two ingredients that I was not really happy about, that is limonene as well as linalool. These are two ingredients which has fragrance. It has like minty fragrance to it. I am paying $77 for 295 ml of the product. I definitely don't want to be irritated in any way. When you say it's suitable for all skin type, even sensitive skin comes under this category. And adding fragrance, no one tells you it is fragrance in general, but when you see these two ingredients, you need to remember that these come into the category of fragrance. And when you rate it from the best to the worst skincare ingredient, they actually lean towards the worst ingredient. Always be very careful, because these companies trick you into saying that, oh, we don't have any fragrance, but these two ingredients, they are actually fragrance. You need to be very careful. You need to know that. All these oils, all this type of oil they have mentioned is definitely having antioxidant properties, because they are derived from plants, and plants are a good source of antioxidants. Even when you eat it, ingest it, it has antioxidant properties, and even when you apply any sort of its derivative, it is still doing the same job. The only downside about this is that there is not any such interesting ingredient that makes it stand out from the rest. There is only vitamin E derivatives, which is essential for the skin, but all the other ingredients, you need to do a patch test before you even apply it on the face. It's not suitable for all skin types. Sensitive skin type people should be very careful while applying this product. Please do a patch test before you apply it directly on your face. And if you're allergic to any of the oils mentioned in the ingredient, please do a patch test. My personal takes is that I wouldn't purchase this product because first of all, it's very expensive and it does have fragrance in it, and tricking me by saying there is no fragrance, but there is. So I'm sorry, Dermalogica. Anyways, that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure that you hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel to grow. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.